Hello everyone, this is Panda. So I'm using the GoPro Hero 8 Black with the GoPro audio adapter. I also have a battery inside the GoPro Hero 8 Black because the adapter would not allow you to use the adapter without a battery inside the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Do not use any GoPro Hero 6 or 7 batteries. They are not compatible with GoPro Hero 8. So with that said, I am using the BOA BYMM1 shotgun microphone. The audio should sound very crispy and clear. I'm shooting this in 2.7K, 60 frames a second. I also have a ND filter on, so take this video with a grain of salt. I am the Panda Photographer, everyone. Disclaimer, I am not sponsored by GoPro. I'm not sponsored by anyone that I mentioned in this video. I purchased this with my own money, so take this video with a grain of salt. So, with that said, I think the footage looks great. Better than the GoPro Hero 9s. And a lot of YouTubers will verify the samples. And I'm about to provide some samples, and I wasn't very impressed at all. I just felt like the Hyper Smooth 3.0 and even Hyper Smooth 2.0 fell apart in low light, which it does, but if you have a gimbal, it may vary based on experience. But even I was able to get stable footage on the Hero 7 Black in low light and still managed to get some really decent footage. So the question is, should you upgrade to the GoPro Hero 9 Black? The answer is no. If you already have this adapter, you have accessories for the GoPro Hero 8, just utilize it. And in my opinion, the ISO performance was actually a little bit worse than the GoPro Hero 8. When it comes down to like the shadows, I thought the Hero 8 was better when it comes down to low light and salvaging those details. I thought that the GoPro Hero 9 highlights when it comes down to dynamic range, it's okay, but still, again, GoPro Hero 8 top GoPro Hero 9 when it comes down to the dynamic range. It maintained in the highlights. So take this video with a grain of salt. But if you guys want to support the channel, I would like you guys to subscribe, like, and share. If you guys want to support the channel, there are links down in the description below. You want to support it financially, there's a PayPal, there's a Cash App, and there is a Vimeo. But with that said, I'm just walking around the neighborhood in Portland, downtown Portland here. And I'm using my iPhone to monitor what I'm doing. And I'm not using my monitor because the GoPro Hero 8 does not have a HDMI. So, with that said, everyone, I think it just looks great. Everything is manually controlled. My white balance is at 55,000 Kelvin. ISO is between 100 and 400. And I think it looks great. And yeah. So my experience with the GoPro Hero adapter is that it's most likely a chance that if you want to buy this for the GoPro Hero 7, it's not going to work. But for the GoPro Hero 8, it may vary, because I've seen some videos out there that people are complaining about it's not working with the GoPro Hero 8. So I'm not sure what's going on with firmware, but I just feel like GoPro is kind of just trying to have you guys upgrade to something that you may not want. I just find it very interesting that they're pushing the media mod and not making an adapter for the GoPro Hero 9, which I kind of find a little weird that this adapter is not compatible with the GoPro Hero 9. Let's walk down this block where there's less noise. How about that? Even though I have a shotgun microphone, just don't want to hear the noise. And I want you guys to see the quality of this. And I'm respecting that 180 degree rule.